What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel in the car community. And today's episode we're going to be covering SHMEE150, Amelia Hartford, goonzquad and a few others as well. If you're new to the channel, guys, we have a car discussion channel and we do planning a project car in the summer and basically do podcasts and all that kind of stuff. So if you like this kind of stuff, do smash the subscribe button. We're aiming for 2,000 subs by the end of the year. Check out my other videos, get involved, do comment below, smash the like button, all that kind of stuff. That would be dope. And as well, guys, if you want to tag me and stuff on videos or send me stuff on Instagram, please do. I'll give you a shout out. And also we do comment Sunday as well. I bring up your comments every Sunday, so do comment below and do get involved. And guys, also it's double upload day, so this is the second video out today. Check out the video earlier. I just gave an update on the project car that I'm hoping to get, but I'm still working on it, guys. Haven't heard back from the seller yet, so I'm still I will keep you informed on what's going on with that one as well. So let's kick it off. We'll jump straight into it. We have to kick it off with SHMEE150. His latest video is getting to ride in the Bugatti Divo. The one thing that blew me away most of all about this video as well is the Divo that's there is owned by the same person that bought the Lamborghini Sian. So they bought the Divo and the Sian together. That's $9.5 million worth of cars. Now that is flexing and balling. Like, that is some serious amount of dough to be dropping on cars. This guy must be ridiculously rich to be able to afford to buy both of them at the same time. And Bugatti Divo's 5.8 million and 3.5 million for the Sian. It's a lot of moolas, but you've got some of the best cars in the world as well. And it was what I loved about this was the close-up you got of the Divo. The lights, I never knew they had that. If you watch the video, when you actually, I think it's unlock the car, there's a side panel going on the light that lights up, which is crazy. Just the color scheme on the inside is nuts. I mean, like the way you have the blue on the driver's side and grey and bits of blue on the passenger side. Probably one of my favorite parts of the Divo is the actual rear lights. They are unbelievable. I actually love them. I just love the way they've done that. That is just pure baller, like, I mean, and the thing is an insane animal out on the road as well. I mean, SHMEE was out there with his friend Mike, so Mike is the owner of the shop. It's his friend that owns the two cars, and they brought out on the highway, and you can just tell, like, he barely even tips that accelerator, and you're going up against the back of the seat, and just, it's mad. What an unbelievable car. I mean, like, when you're that rich and you can buy two cars at the same time, that's insane. And that car is an absolute beast. Check out the video if you haven't, guys. I highly recommend it. It's a great watch up on the Divo, just to see if you want to see the bits and pieces of it, and highly recommend it. Next up is going to be goonzquad. So goonzquad are finally back, making videos on cars, or in this case truck, at the moment. And the only reason I want to bring it up now, I'm not into the truck videos, but I just want to ask you guys, do you mind watching building the trucks or rebuilding them, the crashed ones? It looks like this one's got a lot of work to it. It looks like it hit whatever way they crashed, it hit a rock or something and dug into the aluminium. The arms are all busted underneath the suspension. They've got a lot of work to do on this one, but for me personally, I'm not into the truck videos. They're not for me. I'm into the sports cars. But I want to know from you guys, are you did you mind the house videos? Are you hoping that the house videos are finished, or do you watch the truck videos, or do you only watch them when they do the sports cars and supercars? Me personally, I've been just going along with the house videos, just seeing how they go, just kind of going through them. I'm excited for the actual garage build on their second location. That I really want to see. The truck builds have not probably going to be interested, but when they get back into the sports supercars, I'll definitely be covering more of them than that. But I want to know from you guys what you think of them finally getting back to a few builds as well. Just because, I think some people have not been happy. Their views have been down because they've been doing the house. because they were getting over 1 million views when they were doing their builds. So obviously there's that as well. I think, did they release a video? I haven't checked yet. I think I saw them releasing a video or something saying they might be buying land in Mexico. I must check that out. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong if you have watched what they're doing as well. So Goon Squad are just trucking along as they do, and I can't wait to see them get back into some supercar and sports car builds as well. Next up is going to be Matt Armstrong, guys. He's continued on with his modifying of the Volkswagen Golf 7. So he's put a new exhaust system on this thing. It sounded like a raspy pea shooter, in my opinion, but the new Scorpion exhaust he has on it is pretty nice. I mean, I really like the way he's modified this Golf. It's came out really nice. It's not over the top, and some really nice picks in the splitters and the wheels and exhaust system, and he's trying to make this car quicker than his Lamborghini Gallardo, and these things are quick enough as it is. I think it's an R, Golf R. So here's a quick clip for you guys of the sounds of the new exhaust system on his Golf.
So before we take it out for a drive, we've got the original place where we tested this first exhaust. So here's before, and here's after. You know what? I like it. I do like it. Oh my god, it is so much louder in the car already.
That is louder.
It is so loud in the car.
I think that's going to drone next.
There's a noticeable difference in the car already. It is so loud in here.
That is loud. I bet you.
It's going to drone like an absolute...
That is...
Sounds good.
And there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below. I think if you've been watching a lot of Matt Armstrong's videos, do you like the mods that he does to his cars? Remember, we've got that crashed BMW M4 competition he's going to be rebuilding as well. I wonder how long it'll be till he raffles off one of these cars, because it seems to be a very good way for him to go. Because he makes an extra anywhere from 10 to 20,000 when he raffles off these cars, which is insane. I'd love to be able to do that here in Ireland. If I get a, whatever car I end up getting and modifying, I'd love to be able to raffle it off and make money off it. But nobody does that here in Ireland. We're so limited. It's so frustrating. If I lived in the UK, I'd probably be able to do what he does. But yeah, guys, check out the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below how Matt Armstrong is doing, because I'm really enjoying his content lately, definitely. Next up is going to be Wrench Every Day. So Wrench Every Day, they have continued on the build of the Lotus Esprit, and basically Tavarish has come out saying that he wants to build it up to the new Lotus Evora GT. He wants to make it a more modern supercar, and he came out with all these plans. So they are going to basically, new body kit, new wheels. They're going to basically, I'd say, not rebuild the engine, but strip it down and make it better, make it as fast as a modern main supercar. I think he's aiming for like 400 brake horsepower off it on the 2.2 litre engine that's in it. Redo the whole interior, new seats, basically make it a luxury kind of supercar. I hope he really does get this build done. We know what Tavarish can be like sometimes. I'm just hoping he follows through on this one, because I would love to see this Lotus redone. It would be an epic project. If he's saying that's going to be a dark colour with carbon bits, and I love the shape of this Lotus, it's the Esprit is beautiful. I hope he can modernise it and get the power he wants out of it. I'm just wondering, how long are we going to have to wait, or how long is this going to take? He did say something about Project Creep, but yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, if you're watching Wrench Every Day, and what you think. Do you think this Lotus build is going to be done the way he wants it, or do you think it's going to fall into the background, or what do you think is going to happen with it? I hope he says his word. I hope it turns out, because in my head, what he's saying, I was trying to picture it, and if he gets the way he wants it, my god, it's going to look unbelievable. It really will. So I can't wait to see what he does with this build. Definitely check it out, and do comment below and let me know what you think. Last up, guys, is going to be Amelia Hartford. wanted to bring this up because it was pretty cool that she ended up SHMEE visitor. We all know SHMEE is over in the States, meeting up with, I think he's meeting up with nearly any car YouTuber that has any sort of size, as in, I mean, usually, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, like, but he seems to be meeting up with car YouTubers that are over 500,000 subs. I don't know if he's meeting up with anybody that's under, or no, he could be, yeah, no, he probably is meeting under 500,000 subs, but he's going through all the major car YouTubers in the States. He's met up with Amelia, and he was just saying about his GT500 and her C8, and just basically, the reason I want to bring this up is because her shop is coming along really, really nice, and she did announce she's after buying a new car at the very end of the video. I was like, you fucking snake. I was like, why didn't you just let us know? I was like going through the whole video going, where's the new car? And yeah, she said basically she's got a new project car, so I want to find out what that is. And it was really cool to see her and SHMEE interact and just have a chat. Also, Mark from Predactyl Tactics came over. I can never pronounce his fucking YouTube channel, but he brought over his white body NSX, and he's after announcing that this car is up for grabs, like you can win it. And that's crazy. You're so lucky in the States you have these giveaways by YouTubers. There is none here in Ireland. I can't enter any giveaways by any car YouTubers here because there isn't any big car YouTubers in Ireland to do this kind of stuff. And basically you just got to buy merch off his site, any bit of merch, and you're entered. I don't know the full ins and outs of it, but what he's doing is he's flying 3 people to Vegas, and then there's one key, and basically whoever picks out that key, and if it's the key that starts the car, you win the NSX. And each person that wins gets 10,000 as well. So even if you don't win the car, you're still getting $10,000. That's insane. That is some giveaway, and flying people out to Vegas, like, so. That maybe you guys haven't seen it. If anybody's watching from the States, if maybe you should go onto his website, buy 1 or 2 things. You could be lucky and end up getting an NSX. And if you do, let me know. But yeah, hopefully Amelia finishes off her. It looks like her garage is coming along really, really well. She's got a lot of stuff for it. But this thing gets finished, and she gets her builds fully going. It's going to be insane, and I can't wait to find out what car she's after getting. And she was even considering about getting the Mustang GT500 as well. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what car do you want to see her get? I would be happy if she got the GT500, but yeah, we'll see what she gets. Comment below your guesses of what car she's after buying now, or what car do you think she's going to buy in the future. So guys, that is it for today. That is everything. Hopefully you enjoyed this double upload day. Again, do check out my other videos. Please do smash the subscribe button, give the channel a chance, and like squad, you've been killing it. Please keep liking the videos and commenting below, guys. You are legends. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.